Conversation surrounding mental health continues to grow in schools as more kids experience bullying both in person and online. And today, a local middle school brought in a father who says he knows the impact firsthand to share a message with the students. KDKA's Linder has the story from Pleasant Hills.
Students here at Pleasant Hills Middle School had the chance to hear a personal story of loss and hopes to teach them a lesson about bullying.
My life and my family's life will never, ever be the same as it was before that day.
That day was October 7th, 2003, when John Halligan got a call from his wife saying their son Ryan was gone. He was just 13 years old, a middle school student in Vermont, when he died by suicide.
The pain never goes away when you lose a child.
More than 20 years later, the emotions are still fresh. But John is turning his tragedy into something positive. It started shortly after Ryan's death. He got laws passed in his son's name at the state level to protect other children, and then began to speak at schools across the country, sharing his story. On Friday, it was to 6th through 8th graders at Pleasant Hills Middle School.
He was just a very sweet kid, and unfortunately he got caught up in the typical meanness of middle school, and things got out of control pretty quickly behind our back because of technology.
It was the early days of AOL and instant messaging before social media. John says since that came about, the problem has escalated. But he's also recognized through the years the impact his presentation has on students.
Children learn from a story much more effectively than they do just being lectured to about bad behavior.
West Jefferson Hills School District Superintendent Dr. Janet Sardin says it all goes hand in hand with their programming.
Kids need to know and understand that it's important, number one, to support one another, to keep a lookout for one another, and make sure that they see or hear anything that might be difficult to report it to adults.
If you or someone you know is in need of help, you can call or text the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988. For now, reporting from Pleasant Hills, Linder, KDKA-TV News.